Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're planning a family vacation or a trip with friends in 2025, booking connecting rooms on Expedia can make everything so much easier. These are adjacent rooms with a door in between, perfect for keeping everyone close without cramping your style. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Expedia website or open their app on your phone. It's super user-friendly, and they've updated their interface for 2025 to make searches even faster. Start by entering your destination, travel dates, and the number of rooms you need. For connecting rooms, it's best to select at least 2 rooms right from the start. Once you've got your search results, look for the filters on the left side of the page, or at the top in the app. Click on Room Types or Advanced Search options. Here, you might see a specific filter for connecting rooms or adjoining rooms. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. Expedia has enhanced their search tools this year, so try typing connecting in the search bar or selecting special requests to specify your needs. Now, browse the available hotels. When you find one that offers connecting rooms, check the room details carefully. Expedia often highlights these in the description, and you can verify by looking at the floor plans or reading reviews from other travelers who've booked similar setups. Once you're sure, add the rooms to your cart. Remember, availability can vary, so book early for popular destinations. Before finalizing your booking, double-check the total cost, including any fees, and add any special requests in the notes section, like confirming the connecting doors. Expedia's 2025 updates include better customer support, so if you run into issues, you can chat with an agent directly through the app. And there you have it. You've just booked connecting rooms on Expedia. This feature is a game changer for group travel, making your trip more convenient and fun. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.